Gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. We got to 150 subscribers. Yes, we did. And I thought we're never gonna make it because it was like 150. That's, for me, it's a lot. It's a dream come true. We're going for the 1000, of course, or maybe 1 million. We never know. But I promised a giveaway, and it was the giveaway was about these things, the right things here, the Mudguards. I 3D printed them, and this is an Outcast 6S rear arm. If you have another vehicle that fits these things, I have the number in my previous video from the giveaway. You can win these Mudguards I printed. So I thought about it this a long time, how we're going to do it, and it's fairly easy. You have to be subscribed, you hit the like button, and you put in the comment down below hashtag Mudguard. In a week I'm going to get the winner out of it. So that's it, nothing to it. So if you want to win these things, hashtag Mudguard. That's it. Thanks a lot. Good luck.